Hello viewers, today I have this JBL Flip Essential. This is not working, so let me show you what is happening. So when I turn on the speaker here, so you can see it is blinking, it's not turning on. When I connect the charger, light starts blinking here. If I turn on, speaker is turning on. So my doubt is battery. So let's replace the battery and see what is happening. So without wasting any time, let me start tearing this down. So first we have to take this plastic mesh here. So for that we have to pry it from here. So let me pry it and slowly lift like this, it will come out. And similarly I have to do it in this way. So that's it, the mesh has come out. So now we have to take out this 4 screw. This is Phillips screw, so I'm going to use Phillips screwdriver here. 4 screws I'm going to take out. So now it's time to take out this plastic part. This plastic part will be delicate. In this case this is oxidized, so we have to take it carefully by prying like this. So slowly by pulling here, and I'm going to remove the lock from this side like this. Clips will be there. So that's it, this part has come out. So now it's time to take out the battery at this side. So even the base radiator of this Flip Essential is very delicate. We have to take out all the screws and we have to pry it slowly right round in this circle. Then this base radiator will come out. So let me take out the screws. So I have taken out the screws, 5 screws will be there. So now it's time to slowly pry this. Like this, you can see it will come out. So that's it, you can see without damaging I have taken out the base radiator. So let me keep this separately. So now we have to take out these 2 screws to access the battery here. So let me take out that. This is Phillips screwdriver. Simply by pulling like this it will come out. So you can see the battery is here. If the battery is bulged, then this will not come out so easily. So we have to take out this battery with very difficulty, because it is struck. Old batteries generally it is bulged. So in that case it dominates the given space and it occupies more space because of the old battery bulges. So new battery will be thin. When this battery was new, at that time this was also very thin. That time it would have gone inside very easily and it will come out very easily if the new battery is there. But old battery will always be tougher to take this out. So alright, now we have to take out this flux cable. So to take out this flux cable we have to pull this lock here. So pull the it is very difficult to take the lock. If you feel difficult, then you can remove the speaker here. So for reference I'm going to take out the speaker here just to remove that lock. That's it, nothing work is there with this speaker. So that's it, I am keeping this screw separately. The speaker will come out easily. Now I think you can see the lock very easily. Simply we have to lift it from this place. You can see just slowly we have to lift, otherwise this lock will break. So now I am going to position the speaker back, because this might damage, the cone might damage. Now you can see I will take out the flux cable very easily here. Just by pulling like this it will come. Now it's time to take out the battery here. So I have taken out the battery. Now holding the flux cable like this, I will try to pull out the battery here. So this is stuck, so you can see it is not coming out. So removing this battery is a bit challenging. I have to manage to take this out. So let me take this out and come here. So I have taken out the other side base radiator here as well, so that I can push it. There might be small gap over there. From there we have to push the battery so that it will come out here. So you can see I'm just slowly, so simply I am pushing it from, you can see it is coming out. So this is very delicate because this is bulged. So the battery is from great power. You can see the battery is bad. It is bulged, because of that it is not working. So as per the subscribers customers requirement, he want me to install the equivalent battery. So I have this first quality battery of this JBL Flip Essential. So I have assembled it. So I have used here original JBL Flip Essentials BMS. So this is original part. This battery is of first quality I have selected it hand picked, so the battery is of first quality. So even this battery is for sale here. So if you want me to replace the batteries of this model JBL Flip Essential, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. And also I have the original battery here. So this is the original battery of this Flip Essential. You can see, you can compare. It is 100% original. No copy or whatsoever. So even this is available. If you want me to install, I can use this battery or else this battery. In this case I am going to use this battery because this is also of similar quality like this. So alright, let me keep this. So after removing the battery, it is very simple. Simply we have to install the battery here. You can see it will go easily. I have applied the tape here so that it will hold its position properly. There will be no noise. So you can see battery has gone very easily. So it simply I have to install this socket. So I have turned the battery this side so that the socket wire will go this way. You can replace here always, no problem. So alright, now simply I have to install the flex cable. I have already installed the speaker because pushing the lock is very easy, just removing the lock is difficult. So let me install this flex cable here. So I have positioned the flex cable. Simply I am going to close the lock here. That's it, lock has been closed. Now simply I am going to connect this socket here, battery socket. That's it. Now this should start working. Let me turn on the speaker. Yes, so this will get settled once it is normal. So alright, now installing this battery cover here. So that's it, both has been installed properly. Now simply I have to install this base radiator. Let me put this and screw it. So that's it, I have installed both base radiators. Now simply I have to put this cover. So let me install this. Just we have to position this and we have to press it. So this will get locked. That's it. Now we have to put this 4 screws here. 1 2 3 4. So let me install it back. Alright. So all 4 screws has been tightened. So that's it. It's time to put the mesh cover back. Before that I want to show you the working functionality of this. So let me pair it with the smart device and play a song here, quick demo. So Flip Essential has come here in the list, Bluetooth page. So I'm just clicking it. It is asking to allow access to your contacts and call history. I'm just checking it and clicking the pair button. So you can see it has been connected. So now it's time to play the song.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So alright, speaker is working perfectly. Now it's time to put the charge and check. Now let me connect the charger here. You can see 5th light is blinking, all 4 lights is fully charged. So this speaker battery is fully charged almost. So let me take this out and turn on the speaker again so that I can show you the battery. So you can see all 5 lights is glowing. So that's it, the speaker has been fixed. So let me install the cover back to its place. Simple, we have to put like this, then we have to press it. So alright, speaker has been fixed. So if you have speaker like this, if you are feeling difficult to replace the battery, if the battery is thickened, then it will be difficult for the general peoples. So in that case you can do message here to above WhatsApp number. I can replace the batteries behalf of you and I can ship it. You can courier it if you are not from Bangalore. If you are from Bangalore, you can bring it and I can replace the battery and I can give it. Or even porter would do. You can send it through porter. I can replace the battery and I will send it back to you. So even I have batteries for sale. So if you want to buy that, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. If you want to give for service, please do message to this above WhatsApp number again. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching.